Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to effectively use Google Calendar. It offers a reminder feature that can help you stay on top of your to-do list. Instead of creating an event for something like pickup, dry cleaning, you can create a reminder. These reminders will stay on your calendar until you mark them as complete. And they will also show up as notifications on your phone or desktop, ensuring you never forget important tasks. To create a reminder, click the plus Create button in the top left corner of Google Calendar and select Reminder instead of Event. You can set the time and frequency for the reminder and it will pop up at the same time, making it easy to stay on task. For recurring reminders like a week task, just select the Does Not Repeat option under Does This Repeat and change it to weekly or any other interval that fits your needs. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.